Hmm. Begitu. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good
Waalaikumsalam
morning.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, Pak. Pagi, Pak.
Selamat pagi semuanya.
Morning, sir.
Morning.
Morning, sir.
Morning. 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 Iya, daring. Bersama sudah di Tangerang?
Saya, Pak.
Sudah di Tangerang?
Ya, Pak. Sudah, Pak.
Ya, ya. Alhamdulillah. Oke. Okay, let's start our class by reciting doa or basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, guys. In the last two meeting, we already learned about presentation in business, and also how to be a good presenter, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now today, inshallah, we would like to discuss about the content in presentations. We would like to discuss about the content in the presentation from the opening until, but one by one. Before the first is opening, and also next one is content, and the last is the ending or the summary of the presentations. Okay, can you please, all of you, wake up and turn on your camera? Sorry. Wake up, wake up. Is the slide can be seen clearly, guys?
Yes, sir.
All right. Mr. Erlan, have you take a bath? Have you take a bath, Mr. Erlan?
Sir.
Have you take a bath?
Yes, yes.
Graceberg, where are you?
Yes, sir.
Where are you now? Are you in
Di
campus?
dia tidak Pak di kos Pak.
Oh, the course. You just wake up actually.
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay, anyone knows about the opening in presentation? How important the opening in presentation? Anyone can explain more? Seberapa penting sih opening in presentation? One by one lah. One by one from all of you. Okay. Please explain how important the opening in presentations. Yo,
60%, sir.
kenapa? Why? How, Mr. Graceberg?
60% for me.
60%, 60%, yeah, is very important actually. Okay, why the opening is very important in presentations? Anyone can answer, please. Anyone can answer. Try to answer. Even you combine which is with Indo and English, yeah. Please answer. Why opening in presentation is very important? Even though Mr. Graceberg said that 60% is very important opening presentation. Without opening is the presentation is nothing. Why? Come on. Kenapa sih opening itu penting di dalam sebuah presentasi itu? Baik dalam presentasi di kelas ataupun di dalam bisnis. Kenapa opening itu penting?
Because the opening is a part of speech delivery.
Okay, Mr. Grasbeck said that opening is a part of speech delivery. Okay, can be is part of presentation actually, yeah. It's not speech. Speech is different between speech and of presentation is different part actually. Yeah, Mr. Grasbeck. Speech is like pidato ya, pidato dan lain-lain. Oke, thank you Mr. Grabel. Mr. Siapa lagi nih yang mau jawab? Oke, please.
I'm sir.
Oke, Mr. Elan ya. Oke, please Mr. Elan.
Why opening of presentation is important? Because you have to get the attention of the audience while making yourself like them from the start.
Oke, wait.
Can you
Can you please Pat?
can you
Can you
Pat,
Pat?
Yes, sir.
Please button. Ulangi coba.
Because you have to get the attention of the audience
Mm-mm.
while
Okay,
making
please.
yourself like it by them from the start.
Oke. Oh, next. From Mr. Elan, he said that to get opening is very important because we want to get attention from the audience from the beginning of presentation until the end of presentations. To catch up, yeah, to catch up the attention from the audience. That's Mr. Elan said. What about another one? Okay, can you please explain it? Or why opening is very important in presentation? Anyone can try to answer it. Miss Kamalia maybe? Or Firly?
Saya sih,
Siapa nih?
betul.
Gultom. Alright, please Mr. Gultom.
Opening is a part of presentation, so that our presentation is mature, starting from the slide material and others.
Mr. Gultom said presentation is opening is part of presentation. It's like Mr. Grasberg said. Ya. Oke, thank you. Benar kan ya, hampir mirip dengan jawabannya Mr. Grasberg dan juga bagian juga dari jawabannya Mr. Erlan ya. Opening is part of presentation, which is mature to get attention from the audience from the beginning to the end of the presentations. Okay, next. Intan Ratnasari maybe, please.
Because you have to get your audience making yourself like by them from the start. Jadi biar audiens tuh suka dulu dari awal, biar audiens tuh buat diri Anda disukai oleh mereka dari awal.
Oke. Begitukah? To make the audience likes you. From
Yes, sir.
Okay. Why we should from this statement to make the audience likes you? It's appear a questions ya. Muncul sebuah pertanyaan. Why we have to like by the audience? Why we have to get attention from the audience? Why we have that's the question. Why we have to get the attention and like from the audience? Ya kan? Why? Anyone can answer. Mr. Osama.
Because if we don't have get attention from the audience will be not hear what we are saying.
All right. Because we want to get the audience caring. Begitu ya kira-kiranya. Anyone can answer it? From Mr. Osama, he said that why we have to get the attention and like from the audience, because if we have no attention and like from the audience, maybe they wanna ignore you. Dia akan apa namanya itu ya tidak peduli. He didn't care what you are saying in the presentation. Next, another one.
Nih, sir.
Siapa nih?
Erlan, sir.
Erlan, from Mr. Erlan. Okay. Please.
Because we need other people to pay attention to us, because it can be dangerous if we talk alone without other people.
Sorry, I can hear your voice clearly.
Because we need other people pay attention to us, because it can be dangerous if we talk alone without other people.
Because we need the audience attention ya.
Ada di chat, sir.
It can be simplified because we need the audience understanding from what we are saying. Ya, gitu sih sebenarnya from Mr. Elan's answer ya. Because we need the audience understand from what we are presenting. Benar nggak begitu, Mister?
Yes, sir.
Oke. So it can be concluded that opening of presentation is opening is a part of presentations. Why? Because this to get attention from the audience from the beginning to the end of presentations, and also to make the audience likes you. So why we have to get attention and likes from the audience? Kenapa harus kita menarik perhatian mereka sih? Kenapa kita harus menarik attention mereka? Kenapa kita harus mendapatkan likes from them, ya, love from them? Why? Kita harus bangun itu, kita harus bangun fondasi dulu, ya kan? Kita harus bangun fondasi dulu dalam presentasi, yaitu dengan cara opening. Opening itu is a foundation in presentation. Kenapa? Ya karena because we want to get the audience caring. Kita harus dapat perhatian mereka, pilihan mereka di dalam presentasi. Bahwa because this presentation is very important for you. Not only for me, but also for you, the audience, gitu. That's the importance of opening, ya. To make sure that the audience want to hear your presentations. Mereka mau mendengarkan apa yang kalian bicarakan. That's part of the opening. Because also we need the audience understanding from what we are presenting. Karena juga kalau mereka kita dapat perhatian dari mereka, if we already get attention from them, we already got the audience caring, so they will pay attention more and they will understand. They try to understand what you are saying. That's opening, ya. Jadi hal paling utama, ya, fondasi dalam sebuah presentasi itu adalah openingnya dulu. Is it your opening very interesting or not, or boring or not? It can be very important in the presentation. Okay, thank you very much for Mr. Grasberg and also Erlan Gultoms, Kamaliah ya tadi ya. Yang jawab ya. Also siapa lagi tadi? Mr. Laude. Okay, I'll remember. Okay, this is the outline. We continue the questions. This is the outline of our meeting today. Can you see the slide, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is the outline. There are four actually. The first one is the expression of greeting the audience, and the next one, introduction oneself or yourself. And the next one is stating the purpose, and the last one, the relevance of the topic. That's the part of opening of presentation in the presentation. What is the objective? The objective is able to create and perform an opening of presentation by using the correct choice of various expressions for greeting, welcoming the audience, and also the introducing themselves and stating the purpose. That's the objective of our meeting today. Next one. This is what is presentations. How important the presentation is, you already answered it. Opening plays significant roles in creating good presentation, and also this is very strong and attractive. A strong and attractive opening, yeah, will catch the audience attention and generate a good atmosphere. Opening yang kuat dan juga atraktif itu akan menarik perhatian atau menangkap atau menarik perhatian audiens dan akan membuat atmosfer di dalam presentasi itu make good ya. That's the opening of presentations means. And the next one, a presentation is a method for correspondence that can be adjusted to different talking circumstances. For example, conversing with gathering, tending to be gathering for briefing a group. Jadi opening itu kan beda-beda dalam sebuah presentasi itu akan bisa kalau ada openingnya maka kita akan tahu nih presentasinya untuk apa sih kayak gitu. Bisa apakah presentasi dalam sebuah bisnis atau presentasi di kelas or presentation in the form of business or group work kayak gitu. A presentation can also be used as a word term that encompasses other speaking engagement such as making speech at wedding or getting open across a video conference. Oke, nih. Greetings and welcoming the audience itu seperti ini. Can be good morning everyone, good afternoon, evening. Thank you for all for coming. Thank you all for coming. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Hello, hi everyone. Okay, let's get started. Thank you for coming. Perhaps we should begin. First of all, let me thank you for coming here today. That's the part of greeting or welcoming the audience. Okay. Ada yang lain nggak yang part of contoh daripada greeting or welcoming the audience? Selain daripada yang saya sudah sebutkan tadi, selain ada yang sudah ada di slide, ada yang tahu contoh opening selain good morning, good afternoon, evening. Hey everyone, let's get started. Hi.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, sir.
That's the common one. That's the right one, yeah. That's the right one. Assalamualaikum for Muslim. That's for Muslim. But how if our audience not Muslim? It can be used or not? Yeah, of course it can be used. Salam misalnya seperti itu kan. Salamun testu itu kayak gitu, kayak yang sering kita lihat di TV begitu. Para pejabat mengucapkan salam bermacam-macam bahasa. That's part of opening actually. Okay. Anyone? Another one? Apa cuma gini doang?
Mister, perkenalan diri.
Okay. This is part of greeting ya. This is part of greeting and welcoming the audience. Kalau perkenalan diri itu bagian daripada introducing yourself. Okay. Nah, this is part of introducing yourself, which is you have to in the introduction yourself. Okay, sorry. Introducing yourself. Hello. Can you please? Siapa nih? Oke. Oke. In introduction yourself ya, tadi kita we already know about how to open the presentation, which is hello everyone, ya kan? Good morning everyone, good morning, good evening, and also hello everyone, hi everyone. Okay, let's get start the presentations today. And also thanks of welcoming the audience. Thanks for coming in this my presentation in this wonderful morning or in this wonderful afternoon. So perhaps to make it short the presentations, maybe we have to begin the presentation now. Okay. Atau pembukaan, first of all, let me thank you for coming here today. That's a greeting and welcoming the audience. Yeah. So in introducing yourself, you have to mention your name, which is, and also your education background or place of your work, and also recent position and responsibility. Kayak gitu ya. You can see the slide there, how to introduce yourself in presentations. You don't need in introduction yourself, in the part of introduction yourself, you don't need to take long time to introduce yourself. Yeah. You just mention your name, your education background, your place work, and also your recent position and responsibility in your work. Kayak gitu. That it? Okay, let me introduce myself. Okay, after you greet the audience, hello everyone, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for coming today. Let me, after that, you have to introduce yourself. Let me introduce myself. My name is John, or my name is Kamalia, or my name is blah 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 blah. Just mention your name. And I am from blah 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 blah. For those who atau juga bisa you can say that for those of you who don't know me, untuk siapa saja yang belum kenal saya, okay, let me introduce myself now. My name is, and I'm a student of, after you mention your name, you have to mention your education background or your place of work background. Ya, dari mana sih pendidikannya seperti apa, and also kamu sih dari company mana atau perusahaan mana, or you have to mention your recent position. Ya, you have to also mention your recent position in your work. Gitu. I'm students of, that's the education background, and also responsible, misalnya ketua UKM, misalnya dalam ITTS, I am the head of bla bla bla, saya ketua daripada ini. Or if you are a worker, you can say that I'm a manager or director of blah blah blah, and I'm in charge of blah blah blah. Gitu ya. That's part of introducing yourself. Yeah, the first one is opening or greeting or welcoming the audience. After introduction, after welcoming the audience or greeting your audience, you have to introducing yourself. And the next one, you have to, after introduction yourself, apa yang harus kita lakukan? What we have to do after introducing yourself in opening part? Anyone can mention it? Come on. Part apa selanjutnya yang harus kita lakukan di dalam opening after introducing yourself? Apa yang harus kita lakukan lagi?
Kenalin background singkat dari produknya kita, Pak. Atau apa yang akan dipresentasikan.
Okay. What about apa? Kenalin background. Sorry, Mr. Sama. Can you pardon, please?
Tell the audience about latar belakang.
Tell the audience about the background.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so we directly go to the content or the backgrounds of presentations. Or do you mean you stating your purpose of presentation? Or what, or not? Or about your stating the purpose or the objective of presentations? Is it important or not? We have to stating the purpose in presentations or the objective. We have to mention the objective of presentations. Is it important or not? Is it needed or not? Yang lain bisa jawab nih. Tadi Mas Usama bilang you have to mention the background of the presentations. Yang lain? After introducing yourself loh. After welcoming the audience and then introducing yourself, what should we do after that? After that 2 steps. Mr. Osama said that we have to mention the backgrounds of the presentation, which is mean we stating the purpose of the presentations. Ya kan Mas? Yang lain bisa jawab. Kok nggak ada yang nyalain kamera ya?
Maybe directly file in the speech. Mungkin sih.
Siapa? Who's answer this one?
Maybe directly fill in the speech. Sir.
We have to maybe directly why?
Fill in the speech. Mungkin langsung isi pidatonya, Pak.
Oh, fill the speech or open the speech.
Ya, Pak.
Or directly go to the content of the presentation. Actually, do you mean? Without stating the purpose or stating the objective of the presentation, so we go directly to the part or the contents of presentation. That's what you mean, Mr. Siapa tadi jawab? Gultom ya?
Ya, Pak.
Okay. Okay, actually after 2 part of opening, which is welcoming and introducing ourselves. So after that, we have to state the purpose of presentation or we have to mention the objective of presentation. Ya. Objektifnya apa sih? Tujuannya apa sih dalam presentasi itu? So you have to mention that. So why we have to mention the objectives of this presentation? Because why? Because to make sure that the audience come to your presentations, they know what you gonna talk about, kayak gitu. To make sure untuk memastikan bahwasanya para audiens ini datang di presentasi Anda itu paham terkait dengan apa yang akan Anda sampaikan. Begitu. Oke? That's very important. Jangan sampai nggak ada apa namanya itu, nggak ada menyampaikan objektifnya gitu ya, purpose-nya yang kita nggak ada sampaikan. Wah, it's not good. For example, this morning after introducing yourself, let me introduce myself. I'm blah 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 blah, and then this morning I'm going to talk about this, stating the purpose ya. Mengenalkan apa yang akan kalian bicarakan. Apa akan kalian sampaikan, produk yang akan kalian sampaikan. Or in these special occasions, I would like to discuss or present about blah 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 blah. Okay. And the next one, it can be, I would like to report on blah blah blah. Ada yang lain nih, saya memberikan contoh daripada purpose of presentations. What I wanna do this morning is blah blah blah. What I wanna talk about in this morning is about the importance of our product. Oke. Ada yang lain bisa jawab misalnya. How to stating your purpose of presentations. For example, as you can see in the slide, maybe. As you can see in the slide, or as you can see in the screen, our topic today is blah 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 blah. Okay. Or directly go to today's topic is what I would like to present to you today is blah blah. Okay. Kayak gitu ya guys. Jadi after introduction yourself, you have to mention the stating the purpose of presentation. Nah, ini guys. Ini kan. So you have to know the basic expression of introduction, the topic or stating the purpose of presentation. This one. Yeah. So after this, after stating the purpose, what we have to do? What we have to do after stating the purpose of presentations? No one answer? Which is we have to explaining the relevance of the topics. Yeah. Below the some expression used to tell the audience the importance of the presentation. My presentation is particularly relevant to those of you who. Jadi relevan topiknya tuh relevan pada siapa sih? Topik yang kalian bawakan atau presentasi yang kalian bawakan itu bermanfaat untuk siapa? Gitu. Bermanfaat, apakah bermanfaat untuk anak muda atau untuk all of the age, untuk kalangan umum bisa juga, atau untuk para pembisnis pemula kayak gitu, orang yang mulai bisnis kayak gitu, presentasinya apalagi bermanfaat untuk yang sudah mulai berbisnis atau orang yang baru akan memulai berbisnis. means by explaining the relevance of the topic. Yeah. My presentation is particularly relevant to those of you who or the presentation topic is very important for you because atau kita juga langsung kasih tahu kepada mereka kenapa sih presentasi kita ini penting. Why our presentation is very important for you because bla 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 bla. Kayak gitu ya. By the end of the presentation you will find out about bisa juga kita kasih tahu juga untuk menarik perhatian mereka hingga akhir gitu ya. Kita juga kasih tahu mentions the relevance of the topic by talking about the end of the presentation, which is they will find about kesukaan mereka lah kayak gitu atau yang relevance to them gitu. By the end of the presentation you will find out about. By the end of this session, you will know how to follow our new sales projects. Bisa juga seperti itu. Oke. Got it, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Jadi itu ya. The next one is structuring the opening. Kita harus menstrukturkan openingnya dari awal sampai akhir. The first one, we have to pick some expressions of greeting or introduction and statement of purpose to create your own opening. Jadi kita harus take of some expression of greeting. Jadi kita harus hafal ya sedikit-sedikit terkait dengan greetingnya, introductions-nya, statement of the purpose. Kita harus sampaikan itu. Jadi kita harus structuring, kita atur nih. Apa sih yang harus kita sampaikan dulu, yang kita harus ucapkan dulu dalam opening itu apa sih? Itu greetingnya dulu. After that, your introduction yourself, and then state your purpose or state your objective of presentations to create your own opening. Okay, this is one. Ini contoh-contoh ya, nanti yang akan apa, this is the activity today after this. Pick some expression of greeting. Tadi kan sudah lihat ya, expressions apa aja ya terkait dengan greeting ya. Introductions and also statement of the purpose. And you have now you have to make your create your own opening in presentations. Now you have to make or create your own opening. This is the example, guys. You can see the example here. This one. This is the example. This is the example of opening. I suggest we begin now. I suggest we begin now. Good morning, everyone. Thanks for coming. I'm David Jones, the new HR manager of the TIL Corporations. This morning, I'm going to report to you on the result of the market study we carried in New Zealand. The topic is very important for you because it is related to our new development projects. So you have 5 minutes, yeah, you have 5 minutes to make your own opening. Yeah, you have 5 minutes to make your own opening, guys. Don't forget to put some expressions of greeting, introductions yourself, your backgrounds, maybe your background, are you students, are you worker, are you a manager, and also you have to state the purpose of your presentations there. Contohnya seperti ini, you have 5 minutes. Oke. Jadi sampai 8.50 ya. Sudah? Have you finished, guys? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Have you finished?
Really, sir.
Sudah belum? Sudah selesai belum? Gultom udah selesai, Gultom.
Belum, Pak. Bentar lagi, Pak.
Assalamualaikum. After you finish your work, you have to read by yourself your work. Okay. You have to read by yourself one by one. All of you have to read your structuring of your opening. Got it? Paham gak semuanya? Masya Allah. Dari tadi
Got
lama
it, sir.
Sir.
pun. Yang sudah siapa guys?
Sudah, Pak.
Okay, please read your own work, Mr. Gracework.
Oke, Pak.
Sebentar. Ini saya dari awal tadi sengaja saya nggak bilang nih pada teman-teman semua kenapa nggak dinyalain kameranya. Nggak apa-apa. Saya pengen tahu aja nih.
Pak, kamera saya ini, Pak. Kamera rusak nih, Pak. Kalau nyalain
Oke.
kamera warnanya orange. Nih, lihat, Pak. Kan?
Mana? Nggak kelihatan.
Ini nyalain kamera nih, Pak. Ini matiin. Ini nyalain. Ini matiin.
Okay. It can be understood. What about another one? Another student. What about the other student? There is no one open the camera, only Osama and also Firly, siapa tadi, Kamalia atau siapa tadi. And the other one, no one open the camera. Why? Why, guys? I don't understand what you feel about. Kenapa nggak mau nyalain kamera? Kayak gitu loh. Ada alasan yang lain juga kayak gitu kan. Kalau kita benar-benar dalam pembelajaran ya harus sama-sama lah. Bukan saya memarahin ya, saya nggak marah nih. I'm not angry with you, but I'm just curious ya. I'm just curious, penasaran why? Why you don't just turn off your camera while we still in the class kayak gitu. I don't know what you think about everyone. Huh? I don't know. I don't have to agree with you. Gak punya hak saya juga untuk apa namanya itu. Ya, yeah, that's up to you guys. That's up to you. That's up to you. saya sudah dari semester awal juga sudah, I already talk about this. I already talk about this from the beginning of the semester. From semester 2, I already taught you that you open the camera while your friends or your lecturer presenting the materials. Even you are in your work, but not in bathroom, yeah, not in bathroom. Even you are in your work or in your bedroom maybe, or in your in another one, you have to open your camera kayak gitu. Iya. Iya, tiga-tiganya. Oke, udah itu kasih aja. Kasih ke Mas. Zulfa mana, Kartika mana, Reza mana. And why? And maybe next time I will not teach you anymore. If still like this. I will not teach you anymore if you still like this. I'm not angry. I'm not angry. I'm not angry. I just remind you. I just remind you. And I just want to know the reason why you turn off the camera. Apakah sama dosen lain begini juga, guys? Apa sama dosen lain juga gini? Enggak kan? Atau sama? Atau bebas aja gitu, nyalain kamera atau tutup kamera gitu? It's not the problem. You can, it's okay. This is discussing. Kalau sama dosen lain boleh, saya juga boleh kayak gitu. Tutup kameranya aja, nggak apa-apa. Ya kan? Apakah dosen lain boleh? Mr. Elan boleh nggak? Is it allowed by another lecturer to turn off your camera while he is speaking or she is speaking? Mr. Elan, you can answer.
Beberapa ada yang bolehin juga. Terus
Beberapa.
Kalau awal-awal nyalain kamera, kadang ada yang suka boleh nyuruh matiin kalau misalnya takut hemat kuota.
Oh, that's the reason why you turn off the camera. Oh, jadi ada alasan itu ya? Apa? Oh, jadi itu nyalain kamera itu berpengaruh banget dengan kuota gitu ya?
Ada pengaruhnya juga sih, Pak. Tapi kalau di saya bukan karena kuota. Kalau saya karena di resource komputer.
Ya. Okay, thank you, Mr. Elan. So I know the reason why you turn off the camera. Ya kayak gitu kan? Oke. Kenapa Mbak Firly?
Nggak apa-apa, Pak.
So I'm not angry. I just want to know the reason why. Yeah. I just want to know the reason why you turn off the camera while I am speaking to you. Kayak gitu. While your friend speaking to you, while another friend speaking to you. I just want to know the reason. If another lecture allow you to turn off the camera because some reasons, like Mr. Erlan said, that is very berpengaruh kepada kuota Anda kayak gitu ya. It's okay. it's okay. You turn off the camera. But while when the lecturer asks you to turn on the camera, please turn on the camera. When your lecturer said that you have to answer the questions, please answer the question. Because kenapa begitu? He want to know the response from you. He want to know the understanding from what he said, from what he presents you. Gitu guys. I just want to confirm that you understand what I'm saying. That's only the reason why I ask you to open the camera. Ya, gitu aja sih sebenarnya mah, nggak ada yang lain. Cuma itu aja. It's not a big problem ya. It's not a big deal. It's not a big deal. Miss Wulan ya, Miss Wulan mana Miss Wulan? Mas Nana, Mas Riga, ya. Mas Fahrul, ya. Cuma ini doang ya, kelas pagi. Cuma segini. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ya, 16%. Oke. Kita sudah pada selesai belum semuanya? Oke.
Sudah, Pak.
Oke. I want to mention your name one by one and you have to read your own work, okay? From Mr. Gultom maybe, please.
Iya, Pak.
Okay.
Good morning. Introduce my name, Wahyu Kurniawan Gultom. I am a student at Seoul Tangerang Institute of the purpose of the presentation I will deliver among other. Kedengaran nggak, Pak?
Kedengaran. Apa title-nya apa? Title-nya? You want to talk about what?
The purpose of the presentation I will deliver among other things so that we can all understand the material I booked before, and thank you for stopping by in my presentation.
Okay, that's good. Okay. Next from thank you Mr. Wahyu. Next from Kamalia. Jadi gini aja, yang apa namanya itu yang pakai kuotanya merasa berkurang ya, ditutup aja kameranya nggak apa-apa. But when you have to read our work, you have to turn on the camera, okay? Mrs. Kamalia, please.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, thank you for your presence and attention. I'm Kamalia Mardia, a student from Institut Teknologi Tangerang Selatan. I'm here to explain the product idea that we want to develop.
Okay, the idea of the products that you want to develop. That's the main idea of your presentation ya. Thank you Miss Kamalia. Terus manfaatnya untuk audience itu apa? Stating the relevance presentation ya, for the audience. Manfaatnya apa gitu? Ada nggak? Explaining the relevance of the topics, like my presentation is particularly relevant to this of who, atau the presentation topic is very important for you because bla bla bla. The topik ini tuh sangat bermanfaat untuk kamu karena begini. Itu harus ada di opening ya. You have to mention it. Walaupun apa namanya itu audiensnya setuju ataupun tidak, is okay. But you as a presenter, you have to mention it that. Yeah. Thank you Miss Kamalia Mardia. Oke. Jadi sudah 2 tadi ya. You can turn off your camera.
Thank you, sir.
Next, Miss Intan Ratnasari. Oh, beda ya Kamalia sama Intan ya? I think you are one person. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I think you are one person that I mentioned your name last time. Okay, Miss Intan, please, time is yours.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. How are you
Morning.
today? Before starting, I would like to thank you for coming to this meeting and introducing. My name is Intan. I am a student. And this meeting, I would like to introduce a product that I have proposed from the start.
Produknya apa nih? Kayak gitu harus jelas ya. Produknya it's not only a product ya. Produknya, the name of your product you have to mention it. And also produknya manfaatnya apa untuk mereka kayak gitu. Ya, your products, what is the benefit of your product for the audience? You have to mention that the relevance of the topic. That mean the relevance of the topic. Okay. But thank you, Mrs. Intan ya.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next Ahmad Baharu.
Yes, sir.
Please, time is yours.
Okay. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you all for coming today. I am Baharu, the student from Institut Teknologi Tangerang Selatan. And this morning, I want to tell you about my project entitled Automatic Door.
Oh,
and let's get started.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Ya, sama ya. Koreksinya sama sih. Relevance of the topiknya apa kayak gitu. Ya, relevance of the topiknya apa. Itu yang dibutuhkan dari Mas Baharu ya. Oke, next Mas Erlan Inkiriwang. Thank you Mas Baharu.
Yes, sir. Good morning, everyone. I am Erlan Inkiriwang, and I am an ITTS student. Now I will present presenting my cell phone.
I would like to present, bisa juga. Atau I am presenting. Remember the grammar ya. Remember the grammar, Mr. Erlan ya. I would like to present about apa, Mr.?
Smartphone.
Smartphone. Yo new smartphone ya. Produknya apa ya smartphone-nya? Produknya smartphone, nama produknya apa? You have to mention the name of your product ya. Smartphone-nya itu namanya apa? Nokia kah? Atau mau buat Nokia Nokia baru kayak gitu ya. The new Nokia kayak gitu kan, sekarang kan sudah mati Nokia ya. Thank you Mr. Erlan. Next, yes, Mr. Graceberg.
Iya, Pak.
Okay. Please.
Before we begin, good evening everyone. Thanks for coming. My name is Grasber Nahumaruri. I'm a student of Institute Technology of South Tangerang, but I'm a marketer in Dulux company. So in this evening, I'm going to report to you on the result of the market study. If you want to be a millionaire, this topic is recommended for you because this topic will change the market words like from your class. Thank you.
Okay, let's start the present. Okay, thank you Mr. Graceberg. Ini sudah lengkap ya, contohnya dari Mr. Graceberg ini sudah lengkap. Pertama dia ada introduction-nya, apa namanya itu ada openings, greetings the audience ya. Pertama ada greetings the audience. After that he introduced themselves ya, semuanya juga sudah ada tadi introduce themselves. But he has relevance of the topiknya, manfaatnya untuk orang-orang tuh ada kayak gitu loh. He mention it. So, but kurangnya apa Mr. Graceberg? Ya nggak ada assalamualaikum ya Mr. Graceberg ya. Nggak ada assalamualaikum. Okay, thank you. That's good. And next one, Firly Adinda.
Good morning. Hello everyone. I would like to say thank you for coming in presentation. It's great to see you all. My name is Firly Adinda Putri Azahra. I'm from Tangerang Selatan. I am student in Institut Teknologi Tangerang Selatan. Let's start in the presentation. The purpose of my presentation is online business because I explain to audience for online business because I think about ingin masa it's everything in the country people about online business mereka bisa menjalankannya dengan baik gitu. Thank you, sir.
Jadi bagaimana bisnisnya, how the business can run well in this era gitu ya, in this modern era kayak gitu kan. Okay, that's good, Mrs. Felly. Thank you very much. And next, Mrs. Zulfa Malika Amanah.
Yes,
please.
sir. Baik, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone. I'm glad to see you all. Let me introduce myself. My name is Zulfa Malika Amanah, and I'm student Institut Teknologi Tangerang Selatan. The purpose of the presentation is how to be the best speaker, because being the best speaker has benefits, namely, one, build your confidence, two, improve skill, and three, skill marketing your business, and many others. Thank you for listening. Hopefully, operating is useful for all of us.
Okay, that's good. Thank you, Mrs. Zulfa. Dia juga lengkap ya, Mrs. Zulfa ini juga lengkap ya. Apa yang he mentions all like the reference of the topic, introduction herself, her backgrounds, maybe, and greetings the audience. That's good. Thank you. And next we go to Fahrul.
Halo, sir.
Halo, good morning.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for attending the presentation regarding this my business. My name is Fahrul.
It's not business. It's not business. Bisnis saja. Bisnis saja.
Apa?
Bisnis aja.
Business. My name is Fahrul. Yeah. My name is Fahrul. I am from City Tangerang Selatan. As you can see on the screen, I bought cooking oil in 2019 by storing it and selling it when it went up in 2021. This can be your investment. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Yeah, this is a simple introduction actually. Yeah, this is a simple opening. He has like all part of the opening. Thank you, Mr. Fahrul. Are you a chef, Mr. Fahrul?
What?
Are you a chef?
Chef apa ya?
Chef lo, chef.
Oh, masak.
Tukang masak.
Bukan.
Okay, that's forget it. Next, Mr. Mas Reza is an animator ya. Mr. Reza, please. Ada nggak? Mas Reza. I think he is not there. Yeah. Okay. Next, Kartika Widyadari.
Udah kedengaran belum, Sir?
Udah, dari tadi juga saya kedengaran. Okay, please.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Kartika Widyadari from the Tangerang Institute of Technology. The product I will explain about the food
that is currently popular is croffle, a food that can be used as breakfast. So don't be afraid to angry because the croffle be a good for you. So my presentation, thank you.
Mic-nya Pak nggak kedengaran Pak.
Sorry, tadi masih unmute ya. Jadi Miss Widya tadi itu jangan that's all my presentation. You haven't tell about the content of your presentation. You just is still part of opening of your presentations. Opening of your presentations. Jadi belum closing ya. Ini belum closing.
Oh ya.
Ya. Oke, nggak apa-apa. Namanya juga dipikir langsung presentasi enggak. This is just opening of presentations. Ya, iya. Siapa yang belum nih? Nana Irmanto. Nana Irmanto, nggak ada. Kita langsung ke, oh iya, Mas Mr. Osama. I forgot of you. Please, Mr. Osama.
Sorry, sir.
Okay.
The network is freaking bad in here.
It's okay. Please.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will teach you how to erase your freaking smell without taking a bath. Before that, I will tell my name is Laudemotus Mabdillah from Institut Teknologi Tangerang Selatan. My major is Informatika. Yeah, just that. Itu doang, sir.
Okay. Don't forget the structure ya. Pertama strukturnya dulu. Pertama di opening itu apa dulu? Di opening greeting toh. The first one is greetings the audience. Hello. Greetings your audience, and then introduction yourself. Yeah. After that, you have to state the presentation, state the openings, and the relevance of the topic. That's structuring ya. Pertama itu pembuka greeting, kedua introduction yourself, yang ketiga itu tadi states the objective of your presentations, yang keempatnya itu the relevance, manfaatnya untuk yang mendengarkan itu apa sih, kayak gitu. Itu harus berurutan ya. Jangan baru good morning, I would like to present about no. But that's a good try. That's a good try, Mr. Osama. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, thank you very much.
Yes, sir.
I think enough for today ya. And jangan dibawa hati tadi. I just want to confirm you why. I just want to know why you turn off the camera ya. Yang tadi itu masalah yang tadi. I just want to know to confirm to you that why you still turn off the camera while your friends or I am still speaking to you. Okay? Jangan dibawa hati. Okay? Sekarang kita absen ya sebentar ya, soalnya ini cuma 17 orang, 16 orang, 15 orang nih malah yang hadir nih ya. Kita dari IF, Erlangga Maulana. Erlangga. Tadi Erlangga ada kan? Halo. Oh, ngilang. Erlangga Maulana kemana?
Ini nggak ada.
Nggak ada ya? Nggak ada datang ya? Good. Oke. Erlangga Maulana nggak ada. Next. Rio Riansa nggak ada ya? Kartika Widyadari Budiman.
Present, sir.
Oke. Muhammad Fahrul, present.
Present.
Dimas terus Laudi, present. Riga Audrian Pratama. Ya. HP-nya join the class ya. Riga tadi ada kan ya? Kok ngilang? Riga tadi ada kalau nggak salah. Wahyu Kurniawan Gultom present. Rizky Edward no. Erlan Ingkirawan present. Zulfa Malika Amana, oke. Next. Aditya Duta Ramadan. I didn't see him today. Tadi kalau nggak salah dia join, habis itu ngilang lagi. Am I right? Tadi Aditya join kan ya?
Ya,
Yes.
Pak.
Tapi ngilang lagi.
Kalau nggak salah dia sir lagi di luar di bagian pesisir.
Oh begitu.
Atau jaringannya ada atau tidak?
Oh ya.
Hilang-hilang kayak bansos.
Take care. Be careful, Mister. Reza, are you here? Reza ngilang. Reza Pahlevi tadi ada, sekarang hilang. Oke. Next from TI. Ahmad Baharu.
Yes, sir.
Nana Irmanto. Nana.
Ya, Pak. Silakan.
Present. Tadi saya panggil kenapa nggak ada? Mas Nana. Okay. I don't wanna angry with you. Muhammad Gozi. No. Ronaldo. No. Nurlaila Hildayati. No. Haba. No. Haba keluar atau masih join EF TI Teknik Informasi Teknologi Informasi?
Dia masuk ke maba, sir. Mahasiswa baru, sir.
Oh, masuk ke maba dia.
Iya.
Oh. Oke. Thank you. Next from System Information System. Intan Rasad.
Present,
No.
sir.
Oh, ada. Mana
Present,
orangnya?
sir.
Oh iya ya, astagfirullah.
Kan yang tadi.
Lupa lagi. Iya, aduh, saya pikun. I'm sorry. Kamalia, oke, present. Oke. Firly Adinda Putri, ada ya?
Sir.
Oke. Muhammad Raihan, where are you? Ada kabar dari Mas Raihan dari kelas? Mbak Haru, mana Mas Raihan? Tahu nggak?
I don't know, sir.
No, you don't know?
Tapi tadi dia bilang lagi mau ke sini, sir. Mungkin masih di jalan.
Oh, gitu.
Iya, sir.
Okay, so he didn't join the class from the beginning, right? Okay. And he didn't confirm to me. Novita Sari, tadi dia WA.
Dia sakit, sir.
Oh iya. Aulia Puspa Nabila, Sistem Informasi, izin. Terus, tadi siapa lagi? Novita Sari, izin juga. Oke. Novita Sari, izin. Nah. Terus Wulandari izin ya?
Present, Pak.
Present.
Oh, present ya. I'm sorry. Tadi nggak ngeliat tadi soalnya. Mana adanya? Wulandari. Can I see you? No. Yeah, I can. Okay, please. Next, Aulia Puspa Nabila. Izin ya. Endah Fitrianingsih. No. Muhammad Fahmi. Present. Muhammad Fahmi.
Present, Pak.
Okay, thank you, Mas Fahmi. Thank you. Okay, thank you very much for this meeting today. I'm sorry if I have so many mistakes for you, to you. I'm sorry if I have a mistake. It's like my speaking is not good enough for you. Tidak bisa diterima mungkin sama teman-teman, but it's okay. Thank you very much. See you next meeting, guys. See you next meeting. It's still we continue from to the content of the presentations. Okay. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Please turn on the camera. Turn on the camera first. I want to screenshot camera as a proof. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Bye-bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam, Pak. Terima kasih, Pak.
Terima kasih, Pak.